Today, I'd like to make a video explain this color manager. Some clients said on the InkRIP it's not open. Okay, so let me close it first. Generally, when you have InkRIP installed, you click the icon, you can go to color manager. Okay, it will ask some permission, you just say run, it's open. The color manager normally used for manipulate the ICC profiles. Okay, but sometimes people complain they cannot open. First you need to check is you go to this corner, you press activation. If you click activation, they will popping out the information. Okay, I want to show you below, it's a code, so I'm not only showing here. You make sure software activated, that's the first thing. Second, if you go to the website of InkRIP, go to download, you need to make sure you install the Microsoft runtime. That's another reason sometimes prevent it from running. And we also suggest you download the InkRIP here, the latest version. It's constantly upgrade. You always have the latest version. It's free of charge. You just download the new version. Okay, so if everything you do, and if you go here, you click here, and nothing happens. If nothing happens, the last resort, you can go to the installation folder, because you download that zip file, you unzip its a folder, right? Then, of course, InkRIP is the one actually starting with I. Then you can find this one. You can find another program called Full Color. You can just run it, and of course, it will ask you the permission story. Then, same thing. Okay, that's how you open this color manager. Thank you.